And that's one of the main impediments that people have psychologically to learning is, you know, okay, my God, you're perfect, and like the dancing, this thing, pie in the sky thing. You know, dancing is really, at least the smooth, is like walking fundamentally to music, and then it gets more, you know, detailed from there. 1, 2, 3. So we'll just do a cha-cha-cha, cha-cha-cha, cha-cha. We just started the class like that.
Betsy Hale, I'm coming after you, girl. I want you to know I got your number. Don't try to be looking cute and showing flesh. Don't make me take my shirt off. I am going to beat you, girl. I'm just saying. Just
out this way. So it's great.
All right.
So sit. Okay.